Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jamalmehmood and I am expert of the WordPress developers. Today I will teach you how to create a contact page in Elementor. So let's start with the videos. So first you can open your WordPress website and install two important plugins. One is the Elementor and the second one is the Elementor Pro. And then you can go for the pages and create a new page named contact us. So I will already did it. So first you can create a column container and set up 750 and then you can put one background image. One second, I will. So click this image. I think this is better one, and then you can go scroll down and position set at the center. Attach by default repeat no repeat, and then as a cover. And you can also put that one overlay. I will go for the black one and put 0.4. That's it. And then I will click this. I will create one section 17 and as a width create another column and duplicate it. After duplicate successfully, click the form and drag and drop. That's it. And then click this name and edit with 50%. I will call on this first name and remove this layout, and the last name we can put it. Click require email, remove this and email address and require, and as a message we can remove this one, and we can create a one more field. We duplicate this and go for the text and name is as a subject, maybe my phone number. Scroll down and go for the 50%, and the top one as a also as a 50%. And let's start with the some setting. Go for the styling, column gap 20 and column, oh, I think 50 is enough. Go for the 15 pixel, color for black, scroll down, fill text color black, typography you can change it. I will as keep it this and go for the white one as a background color. I will remove the background color, something like this, and the text color maybe white. Yes, this one, not this one, not this one. That's it. And go for the button and change the background color. I think go for the dark color, dark red color, and that's it. And hover background color, go for the black. That's it for the container. That's it. We can update it. Now we can go for the layout and put as a 500, 400. That's enough. We can click this. So update it. On the left column, we can put as a paragraph, maybe not paragraph. Yes, paragraph. Not maybe We can use icon box, scroll down into the here and as a map icon, that's it. As address, put any dummy address, go for the Google dummy address, Rock, and you can copy this. So I will put this as a dummy and go for the styling. Column bars as a left, white for weekend this one, and after the red one is the gold one. Go for the size. Look good. As a container, we can as a title go for the white one. Typography 24 pixel. Semi 700 volt. We can do this. Another description go for the white. Typography we can go for the 14. That's it. Now we can this duplicate this one, and that's it. We can change it as a email address and change put as an email for gmail.com mail, save it and update it, and we can put as a center. That's it. Already go for this one, put it as a, so we can view it this page. And so let's view the page. I hope you can like this video, and if you can like this video, you can like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe on it, so you can receive any upcoming videos. So see you soon. Goodbye.